Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jeep Patriot brake light. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off and parked safely. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 3157 brake light bulb. Open your Jeep Patriot's rear tailgate to give yourself plenty of room to work. This simple preparation will make the entire process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's get that old taillight assembly out. Look for the two Phillips head screws located on the inner edge of the taillight housing. Carefully unscrew both of these fasteners until they are completely loose. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back towards you. It might feel a little snug, but it will come free with a steady pull. With the taillight assembly removed, you can now access the faulty bulb. Identify the brake light bulb socket. It's typically the larger one. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old 3157 bulb straight out of the socket. Then, simply push your new 3157 bulb firmly into place until it's secure. To finish up, insert the bulb socket back into the taillight housing and twist it clockwise to lock it. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly back into its position on your Jeep Patriot. Reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal while you check that your new brake light is working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.